Good evening, sir. My name is Anjia, matrix number 262151. So I'm going to present my high fidelity prototype. So let's restart my mobile application here. So this is my splash screen. Okay, for now, after splash screen, we will navigate to my login page. So now we demonstrate we are first time user, so we need to sign up first. So we give name dummy, the date of birth. I simply put one date of birth. Okay. And gender, email, just dummy lah, because this is a dummy profile. Okay. Dummy at Gmail. Okay. So password. Reset password. So if there is no error, there will be no rate sequence. If there's error, here will be the rate indicators that show that phone number must be only 10 or 11. So we need to add 10 to 11 digits. Okay, so we accept the EULA. This is the license agreement. We just click accept. Okay, then we click this button to sign up. So after that, registration success. Please check your email. Okay, so for now we have 3 accounts. Let me refresh. Okay, the dummy account will be here now. As we can see, just now I created, will be here now. So let's set the verify to 1 and admin to 1. The 1 is min true. So the account will be verified and this account is admin. So let's log in. Okay. And we select remember me and click login. Then it will log in successful. Welcome. So for now we have 2 badges here because I didn't insert my height and weight. So I can either insert here my head. Okay, so for example my head is maybe something like this here. Okay, and I click and take it, then it will update here. So my height is updated, so the badge will be 1 left because my weight is still 0. So let's refresh here to see my database here, PHP. It will also update the value that I updated in my app just now. Okay, so let's move on to the next way to edit my weight. So in here, I can edit in this profile. I can edit even my name to dummy one. Okay, for example only lah. So I insert my weight to my weight is 60, maybe 67.7. Okay, I click here. So if I confirm that I want to save this profile to update my profile, I click this green save button. Then I apply the changes. I take it. So wait for a while. Then profile updated successfully. So we can see my name will be changed to dummy1 and my weight will be 67.7. Let's refresh this database to see whether it changed or not. So my name is currently dummy. Okay. So it will be dummy1 and my weight will from 0 become 67.7. Okay, so next we move on to changing the profile picture. So by clicking this camera icon, We can either select from gallery or take photo. I will use the take photo in this example. Okay, so I take the scenery as my photo. Then after I taking this, I can take it. Then it will lead me to the cropping page. Crop it to square size. Ratio is 1:1. Okay, so it will make sure me to fit in. Okay, fit inside this box lah. Okay, so this is how we change my profile picture by clicking this icon and select from gallery or taking photo. So we can log out here also. To log out, we need to retype our password. So if we click remember me, right? So I click login. So next time, if I restart my application, so I kill my application and start it again, so it will lead me to my homepage lah. No need direct to my homepage. No need to login page because I remember the password. Okay, so now I have my height here and weight here. So my BMI will be shown here. This question mark icon will show the BMI range here. Okay, click again, then it will disappear. So for now, this is on my chart, but I have no record found here, right? So it will show no record found either in food or in exercise. Also the same in the food here, in the exercise here. So let's now continue back to the profile tab. I can give my feedback about maybe some bugs or error. So maybe there is a bug in your application, something like this. So then I click submit. And you can see feedback submitted. Okay, I can even change my email. Current password, I just need to give my current password. Okay, so this is a warning. Once you have changed your email successfully, you need to verify your new email again before you are able to log in. So my new email will be dummy1@gmail.com. Let's try this. Click submit. So email change. So for now, we can see here the dummy will be changed to dummy1@gmail.com. And the verify will become 0 because we need to verify again. So for now, for quick run, I will just change the verify to true lah. Okay, so I need to use my new email, dummy1@gmail.com, to log in to my account. Okay, let's move on again to my profile tab. I can change my password here. Okay, so I need to key in my current password. Okay, this is my current password. I click submit. So I need to give a new password and retype the new password. Maybe I give the new password like this. Okay, I add a $sign. Again, add a $sign. So if password not matched, it will show here. So we need to match the password. We click submit. It will lead me to my login page because we need to use the new password to log in again to make sure the user know he or she changed her password. Okay, so we use the new password here. Remember me again. Login. Oops, sorry. This is this. Sorry. So we have to do this. Okay. So we also can delete our account here by providing our current password. This is my current password. Okay, so this is a warning. After deleting this account, I will not able to log in. I will lose all my profile and my profile image, my food and exercise record also will be deleted. So I will skip this part. We'll go back. So another fancy things in my profile tab here, I can change my application to dark mode. Let's change it. I'm clicking the dark mode, then slide to right. So we will become dark mode here. Okay, so let's continue with this dark mode. Okay, I change my profile picture again. Change it. Okay, change it to something like this. Okay, let's go back to my home. Sorry, food tabs because we need to add some foods, right? So maybe this morning I ate an apple. So I click apple. Sorry, I click this food tab, or I can just slide from here, slide to food tabs. Then I click this add button, and I add an apple. Maybe the apple is about 70 something gram, maybe. Okay, we set the grams. I ate the apple is 74.3 grams. I tick this button. So we wait for a while. Added successfully. Okay, now we can quit. We can go back or add another food. Let's add another food. Maybe this if afternoon I ate chicken chop for 142.7 grams. Okay, let's take again. Added successfully. Let's go back and wait for 1 second. So we will see this is my data. Apple 74.3 grams and chicken chop 142.7 grams. Just now added. So okay, this apple is the definitely the food name, and this 52.0 calories per 100 grams. This is per 100 grams. So this is the chicken chop per 100 grams is 239 calories. Okay, so the amount taken by the user is in the middle that I key in just now. So it will calculate the total calories eaten by dividing using these calories, dividing 100 and times this amount taken. So it will get the total calories. Okay, so let's move to the chart there, and you can see my chart here. This is my chart. Apple, how many calories, and chicken chop, how many calories. So this is 1 day. This is a chart for 1 day. So if I select for weeks, then we can see this is for today, 2021, April 24. So this is for today total. This 379.7 is these two plus together. So we get 379.7. So before this 23rd of April, we get 0 because we didn't have data. So the same with the past 7 days, and we can even look back to past 30 days. We click months. Okay, this is the months here. Today's, yesterday, and day before until 30 days, past 30 days. Then for the month and for the years, we can see past 12 months. For example, this month I ate April of 2021, I ate for 379.7, and March I ate for 0 because I didn't have data before, right? Okay, so this basically is my chart here. You can view by day, by week, past 7 days, by month, past 30 days, and by year, past 12 months. Okay, so basically this is all my project main core. So for the exercise is the same, then I will just skip. Okay, so now the problem is, if I want to add food, for example, I want to add char kway teow, but I didn't have char kway teow in my food, in my database here, food list, as we can see. I have only kway teow soup, but if I search for char kway teow, char, we didn't have char kway teow. So in this case, admin can add the food. User also the same, but need to approve by admin. So this account is admin account. So I can just add the food and get the food data instantly. For example, I add char kway teow. Let's take char kway teow as an example. Char kway teow. Sorry for spelling. Okay, so char kway teow maybe 100 grams. It takes about, I'm not very sure. Let's check. Let's Google it. Char kway teow calories. Okay, so there are 152 calories in 100 grams of char kway teow. So we use this as our proof. So we just set it to 152. It's like to 152. Okay, so we can see calories per 100 grams is 152. The new food name is char kway teow. So the image URL, if I didn't have, I can just skip and I click submit. Or I can go to Google the image. Okay, so for example, this char kway teow, I can open this image and copy the URL and paste it here. Okay, so I paste it here. So I click submit. So we will need to wait. Sorry, let's try again. Because it's there. Sure. Let's try again without the image URL. Maybe the image URL got some problem. So 152. Let's click submit again. Okay, there we go. Added successfully. Then the char kway teow will be exist. Then we can click the char kway teow. And maybe today we eat char kway teow for 242 grams. Take and go back. There we go. This is the error widgets because I didn't have the char kway teow picture, so it will show this picture. I will amend this picture later, maybe become a transparent image to make it look more nicer. Okay, so basically this is the idea of adding new food inside the inside this day food list lah. Because now my food list only have 20. So let's refresh 20. After that we can see 21 is just now I added char kway teow lah. So basically this is all my application functions. Thank you.